Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Recently I ordered some tools for work and finally I got them. Guys, I really liked my package and link to the store where I made order I leave in description. There you can find a lot of beautiful things. And now I have a mood to create something new. In the following video I will show you what can be done from what I ordered. And well, let's see what I got. I like to open parcels. Now all this will quickly break. Wow, this is little tassels. Cool, different colors. I'll make earrings with them. And what next? Next will be tools. In general, with tools, it's very easy to work, especially if you need to give some form. Like these ones. And these. These. Also this. And my favorite tools, these. They have a rubber tip, with them very easy to shape. Oh, how long I have been waiting for these tassels! And I already have an idea for earrings. By the way, in the following video I will make earrings with tassels. And here beads, more precisely halves of beads for decor of different colors. Super! And such crystals. I thought they would be less, but I still like it. I will make necklace with them, it will be stylish. And guys, I repeat, link to the store I leave in description. And give me big thumbs up if you wait new video. And guys, see you next time. Bye!